Hi friends, this video shows how to fix zoom in zoom out issue or screen size issue. First select settings from the right side, then select display and sounds, then select display, then select calibrate display, then select reset. If you select reset, it will auto adjust screen size. If you want to manually adjust, you can use down and up button of the remote. Let me press and hold down button. You can see if you press and hold up button, see, if you are okay with the change, you can select accept. Okay, so if you want to go back to the previous settings, you can again go to calibrate display, then just select reset, then select accept. Done. So this way we can fix screen size issue. Please try it.